I'm Brittney Ryan, and this is Tatiana, and we are going to show you that halos can actually be ponytails. The first step is to create a mini ponytail on top of the head without the halo in the hair. This is going to be the section that you are wrapping the halo around. It does not have to be perfect. You're just trying to give something for the halo to attach to. The whole point of the halo is comfort. So make sure the tension isn't too tight to not pull the hair. Where you place this little ponytail is where the big ponytail is going to sit. So make sure it's right where you want it. This is what we're going to wrap the halo around. So we're doing this ponytail with the halo, but it's not in the traditional way. I put bobby pins weave through the top of it, and that is what's going to secure it around the ponytail. You can use as many as you need. I chose 4 because I feel like that's going to be enough. I also chose to keep the wire on. You're more than welcome to take the wire off. It's just your preference. You're going to hold your halo upside down, placing the first bobby pin in. And you're just going to slowly wrap it around the ponytail. Kind of like a cinnamon roll. You're wrapping this around her natural hair just to get that length and fullness for the ponytail. I'm showing you this because this halo is so versatile that you can use this even for an updo. You can use this for extra fullness, extra volume, even if it's not in it the traditional way. I used the bobby pins that I had placed in the halo to secure it, and then I will use another bobby pin just to make sure this is really secure in there. The weft is twisted around the ponytail and secured with bobby pins. She has the bangs already, so we won't make it super sleek. So now I'm going to gather the hair up and I'm going to make a ponytail around the ponytail that I just made with the extension. So now you go in and you do the finishing touches. I like to spray the hairspray on the brush. I love that 90s hair is back in. I love that big and messy is back in because the messier this is, honestly, the better. I like to go in and tease the ponytail and make it even bigger and full of volume. This is what a halo pony should look like. Full, secure, and just like a normal install, there should be no sign of a halo. It should be completely natural from the front and the back.